Learning Plan 6 will investigate genetics and protein synthesis. Please read chapters 14 and 15 from Raven's Biology. Chapter 14 is called DNA, the genetic material, and chapter 15 is called Genes and how they work. In this learning plan, you will learn that DNA is the material of heredity stored within the nucleus of every cell. The Watson and Crick DNA model consists of two complementary phosphodiester strands wound around each other, forming a double helix. The two phosphodiester strands are anti-parallel, with the bases adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine orientated within the molecule. The two strands are held together by hydrogen bonds, forming between the complementary bases. DNA replication is a complex, semi-conservative process involving many enzymes, such as DNA polymerase, primase, helicase, and ligase. The current model of heredity states that individual genes on chromosomes code for particular polypeptides, which are then assembled into complex proteins. This is basically a two-step process with the DNA coding for various forms of RNA, which are then used to produce a polypeptide. The first step, DNA to RNA, is called transcription. The second step, RNA to protein, is called translation. Each letter of the genetic code is a block of 3 nucleotides called a codon. Each of the 64 possible codon codes for a particular amino acid, a start or stop signal. A few amino acids are represented by several codons, while others are represented by only 1 or 2. The genetic code is almost universal. Except for a few exceptions, all organisms use the same genetic code. In this learning plan, I would like you to explore 2 laboratories, Mendelian and human genetics. There are performance assessment tasks for this. Please complete them and attach them as an email attachment and send it to me when you have completed it. I would also like you to express your responses to 2 videos online. One is called RNAi, and the other is The Central Dogma of Biology. Now be sure to include any new information you may have learned, how the information could or already has an impact on your life, and also make sure you address another student's comment. Last, make sure you complete the Learning Plan 6 exam, which will cover chapters 14 and 15 from Raven's Biology. Please don't hesitate to contact me by email if you have any questions or concerns.